Hello YouTube, what's up? This is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and welcome back to my channel. Before I start the proper vlog, I'd like to show two items which just came in from Amazon.com. These are the two items which came in just now. They're not very special products, so I'm not gonna waste much time on the unboxing thing. So I'll just quickly open them and show you what all those items are. So this is the product, as you can see. If you rotate the bolt behind and they keep on, fix your phone, and then you rotate the back. The only thing is, if it's raining, then I'll have to put my mobile into a waterproof, some polythene or waterproof case, something. That can be done, that's no problem. I'm in Jaisalmer, right, and it's crazy hot. I keep telling you that. At times I do have to go out during the daytime. So for those times, I bought these. These are the two arm sleeves. They can be stretched, and they come all the way till here, and they'll save you a lot of sunburn and tanning. So the temperature outside is 43 degrees Celsius, and it will be absolutely insane to go out right now, but I will have to go out because there is something that I have to do for my motorcycle. You see, actually you guys know that I'm in a quest to make my motorcycle a perfect sports tourer, right? So I wanted to have a side bag support frame for my motorcycle. Now what happens is, you guys are aware that I have the White Era side bags with me, saddle bags, right? And the problem is that saddle bags, they tend to hang inwards of the rear seat, and what happens is, sometimes when there is a bump or the bike is high speeds and it takes a jump or something, the rear tire tends to touch the saddlebags onto the lower side. So there have been some instances where I found some scratches onto my saddlebags. So I want my saddlebags to firmly be attached to something so that they don't hang around, and while on jumps and potholes they don't shake much. So for that I wanted to get some side bag support frame on which my side bags can rest, or I can just attach them to that frame. So I saw some support frames on internet, and my surprise, they were freaking expensive, and I think the cheapest one I could see was about 6,000 rupees. So I just thought to myself, why can't I get this made from a local vendor, right? I went to the local market and I did some inquiry. There were a lot of people who clearly rejected, but there was one guy who agreed to give it a try. So I'll have to take my motorcycle to him. So that's where I'm going today, and it's going to take some time, probably 3-4 hours, and I'll have to be there with him. So I'm gonna help him fabricate that thing with me. So let's see how it goes. I'll see you when I get to the shop. Okay, bye.
Alright friends, I'm here at this welding shop जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा था. This is that shop. He is the guy, Mr. Kanaiya, नीचे जो बैठा हुआ है. He is the one who will be doing. So this is the design of the two pieces that I'll be making. So this is a cardboard model that I've made, and this one will come somewhere here like this, and a similar piece will come onto the next side, and then there will be a connecting rod between the two. And what we have to do, it will be the challenge, is to get the measurements right. We'll have to match this thing exactly so that it fits onto this screw, and then the rod should be fitting onto this screw and the other one same to the other side. बस ये जो बचे हुए पीसेस के हम वो बनाएंगे ना फिर पत्तियाँ इसमें स्क्रू करने के लिए. ओके, सो अभी हमने दोनों पीसेस पे डिज़ाइन बना दिया है. नाउ द कटिंग प्रोसेस विल स्टार्ट. And one thing I would like to tell you guys, when you remove your sadi guard from your motorcycle, do keep those screws with you, because when I removed my sadi guard, I don't have these screws with me. This one and that one, and similarly this one. So now I have to buy screws. Now what we're doing is, when we put this thing like this onto the motorcycle, there has to be something running from this place to this place, right? So we need a L-shaped. हाँ ठीक है, नहीं ठीक है. आगे भी आगे ना खुले. मैं ये ये स्टील गर्म नहीं हो जाएगा भाई? Alright, so when we are done with our the entire stuff that I wanted to make, so I have to wrap it around with black and some part of it are to be painted. Unfortunately, the thing is not getting painted over here. Hey, Mr. Camels. Hey, hello.
Hey guys, I'm back home and it's the next day. Here it is. As you can see, these are the items. This is how I will carry it around. I'll just let it dry for some time now.
Hello guys, it's 7:15 in the evening and you guys remember this place, right? The same place where I got my motorcycle to record the honest review vlog. No one comes here and it's a wonderful spot for those lovely pictures. And I also love this spot because you can see all those windmills on the horizon, you see. Yeah, that again gives this spot a nice little landscape. And what I'm doing today here, sitting like this, is waiting for that magical sunset to happen. Yeah, you guys all know my obsession with sunset, right? And especially sunset in the backdrop and motorcycle in the foreground. Those are the pictures that I love the most. Wanna see the view from here? Here you go. Just today I got a call from another courier company and they informed me that my top case fitting has also arrived. And you know, I had a project in my mind that what all things I need for me to make this motorcycle a perfect tourer, a perfect sports tourer. So I'm getting closer to that aim.
Time right now is 10:30 in the night, and so I think we should get on with the unboxing of that package that I received. Shall we? Let's go. I just realized that the wrong item has been delivered to me, and on this you can see the hinges which were supposed to come. It was supposed to come like this, and you see both these hinges are supposed to face inwards. Now look at the item that they sent to me. I mean, I can't believe this. And this is how the hinges are there. The hinges are supposed to be inside, man. I mean, come on, bike and biker. You deliver me this item after 1 month and you deliver an incorrect item. I can't believe this. So I've just emailed or WhatsApp the guy who was interacting with me from Bike and Biker, and he replied immediately, and I did say sorry, and then he promised me that he'll resolve the issue tomorrow. Probably they'll send me another one of these fittings with the right hinges. But then till then, all my excitement of installing this onto my motorcycle along with the side back support frame is all gone now. It's about 7 in the morning. Finally, the final bit of this vlog. And this vlog stretched over 4 or 5 weeks, almost a month now. Finally, yesterday in the evening, the correct piece arrived, and then I had to make both of them compatible with each other so that I could fit both of them together on the motorcycle. And finally, after everything, I finally be able to figure it out, and I'm just gonna fit it on the motorcycle, and then I will show you how it Now that I've done it, I'll just show you what it is. So this is the entire setup, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the item, the top case mount, which I bought from bikeandbiker.com. As you can see, this is one rod going all the way and getting attached here, and the other rod is like this. And what I made are these are the side back support frame which I've got made. And earlier when I got them made and before this top case fitting arrived, I had this particular rod, as you can see, which was supposed to connect this rod like this, and it was supposed to connect both these support frames. But then after I received this top case mount, I drilled holes on these rods only, and I've screwed these side back support frames onto these top case fittings. So now this is the entire setup. I'm yet to get these thing painted in black so that they look good. So now when I put my side bags, they are not going to go inside the rear seat, and they'll be supported perfectly by these support frames. And all that is left now is to get a plate, a base plate. So when I bought this, I was kind of hoping that for 5,200 rupees, I mean, I only got these two rods and the screws. With that cost, I was hoping that they will give me a base plate, but then there was no base plate with it. So I have to get a base plate also made, and that's what something I'll have to do right now and think about it. So yeah, finally the project is taking shape. As you can see, this is how my bike will look. This is what I wanted, you know. I didn't want much of fuss going on there in the rear of my motorcycle, because a lot of other frames and a lot of other top case fittings, they look very bulky when they are on the bike. By the time you see me in my next vlog, there will be a top base plate, I hope, because I already have that piece of fiber with me, which is kept in junk. So I'm going to use that and see how good a base plate I can make. I got this side back support frame. I got it made for like 1,600 rupees. And after I received this top case fitting, I thought, you know, even this could have been made, and maximum anybody would have charged 2,000, 2,500, maximum 3,000 rupees for this top case fitting. So I'm gonna try and do my bike up with the minimum expense that I can. That is it for this vlog, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and do leave a comment below if you want to know anything else about the entire process. I'll be happy to help you out. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, signing off.